Well, as many of you know, I had hip replacement last May. I'm post 9 months now after my operation. Feels great. For years, because of sports and being very active, I had issues with my hip, including some arthritis. Here to tell us about managing arthritis in the joints, such as hips and knees, and about joint replacement is Dr. Chuck Burrows, director of the Orthopedic Institute at Doylestown Hospital. Doc, good to see you. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
My man, glad you are here. Let's talk about managing arthritis and who surgery is for, and is surgery the answer? First of all, when it comes to arthritis, I had a little bit, as I mentioned, I tried to drop the weight, I did all glucosamine, chondroitin, did all that. That didn't work for me, but talk about managing arthritis.
Sure, well, many patients that have hip arthritis don't need to consider hip replacement. That's the end of the road, but there certainly are many non-surgical options people can entertain prior to considering surgical treatment.
Now, when do you know it's the end of the road? My doctors told me that the hip will start talking to you. She was whispering, then she started talking loud, and I knew it was time.
Exactly. I think many people will go through a long course of, they'll try anti-inflammatories, physical therapy, maybe injections, but at some point you'll find yourself unable to do the things you want to do.
True.
And you can't keep up with your loved ones, and that's probably a great time to consider joint replacement surgery.
Talk about the surgery and how involved is it? I always heard, and it's true because I went through it, it's all about the therapy.
Correct,
afterwards.
Correct. Yeah, and another thing is the therapy and the recovery have changed greatly. It used to be years ago, patients were in the hospital for 2 weeks after joint replacement. Today, 2 days is common. Come in, get your operation done on Monday,
that's right.
Go home on a Wednesday, and then immediately start your rehabilitation at home rather than going to a rehab facility.
I think I had an operation on a Tuesday, Wednesday I had the therapy, Thursday therapy, and I was out like Thursday afternoon.
Typical.
Wow, wow. Let's talk about, you have a dedicated orthopedic institute at Doylestown Hospital. Tell us about your colleagues.
Yeah, absolutely. What we do there is we have a wing of the hospital where it's just a recovery unit for patients after hip and knee replacement surgery. So you are not mixed in with a population of sick patients and other patients with other medical problems. All of the rooms are private rooms, and we have dedicated nurses and therapists that are just geared towards hip and knee replacement surgery.
How long do they last? Can you put a number on it? I guess it depends on the individual because you don't want to beat it up, right?
Absolutely. I mean, it does have a lot to do with the individual and circumstances, but most joint replacements are working well at 15 to 20 years or longer.
Wow, so I can try out for Doug Collins in the Sixers? I'm back?
Maybe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Continued success. For more on Doylestown Hospital and its Orthopedic Institute, go to CBSPhilly.com and click on Talk Philly. Let's get your forecast with Carol.